My video, and this is my Django e-commerce site. Let's see how it works. I have implemented asynchronous tasks such as creation of order and payment completion tasks using Celery and RabbitMQ. Celery is a asynchronous task queue based on distributed message passing. To work with Celery, we have to install RabbitMQ as well because Celery requires an external solution to send and receive messages. Those solutions are nothing but message brokers. Currently, Celery supports RabbitMQ and Redis and Amazon SQS as message brokers. So, I have installed the RabbitMQ server as well as the Celery in my project. Django server is running in one terminal and in another terminal the Celery server is running to implement our asynchronous task in the background, and this is the Flower which is running in the terminal. Flower is a web-based tool for monitoring and administrating Celery clusters, and this is the web-based view of that Flower, and we will get all the notifications of the asynchronous tasks which will be running in our background, and this will be our last processes, which is task creation and payment completion. We will get all the notifications here, and it succeeded task will be shown here. Works. We'll go to the one product, and this is the product information about all the product information, and we can add this product to the cart, and we can zoom it the pictures and the other three pictures, so we can swipe and see below. Here is the product recommendation, which is based on the past purchases of the user, and I have used Redis for the database purposes. And let's add one product to the cart. Here it comes to the cart, and let's apply newer coupon. We will get the 5% off. We can increase the quantity here and also remove the product from the cart. Let's check out from the cart, and this is the form. Just fill it. Here the order details are here. We'll place the order. This is the payment gateway. Here I am using the Bentry Sandbox, a PayPal service for payment gateway, which is a hosted field, and we will add some card number. It accepts all the cards, Mastercards, Visa, and a PayPal service. Just click pay and see the payment is successful, and we will see the tasks which are getting. The dashboard will process. Already, earlier we have 4 processes. Now here the 36 and order is created and payment is completed, and succeeded also. I would say 6 tasks. Earlier we have 4. The 2 tasks are completed, and we can. I will show you the admin. Orders. Here 36 order, ID number 36, and we have let's paid here a tick mark. We can view the order view, order detail, and this is the order details which will be sent as a PDF through the mail to the user, which is given here, the email, user of email account. You can see all the sales volume and the transaction volume and all the details. and here you can see the transactions which will be going through our site. This is submitted for settlement and others are settled, and this will be settled soon. And this is my end of my project. Thank you all.